trailer from the new Bond film is a welcome inspiration for the stunt department in their daily work. For coordinator Carl Stuck, the hard life as a stuntman is the absolute dream job. At 19, he joined a stunt school with Action Concept, and in the meantime, he has nearly 20 years of experience. So listen, I need another test video with a car chase. A woman drives off in front, followed by another car. Teresa, you can do that straight away. The 23-year-old stunt woman, Teresa, has been a member of the stunt technicians team for 4 years. At the end, the woman should take off, and it should look as good as possible, so that the film production company gives us the job. Yeah, we'll do our best. We've got 2 cars and they'll be pursued and we'll take off at the end. The second car pursuing them, shooting, would be cool if we also had a passenger in it. But Teresa would be driving.
Can I choose one?
You can pick one.
Uwe.
The double scene. Workshop manager Uwe Simon has been responsible for the safety of the stunt cars for nearly 20 years. His trademarks, reliability and a big mouth. Yeah, but watch out, we're going to make real jumps. We won't tell him and just pretend as if we're going to use someone else. And then at the last moment, we'll confront him with the truth, and then we'll put him in the car.
They don't back down for sure.
Will Uwe be able to do that physically? I mean, he's already... Yeah, he's old. First, the Stunt Heroes start looking for suitable cars for the planned chase in the yard. Hey, Frankie, take Nick with you into the Jeep, and if you're going to shoot Nick's passenger.
I want the Mini.
Well, you know I can't refuse you anything. Good, okay, then you take the Mini. For the testing, that's all right. The first practice leads directly across the company car park. Yeah, make about 2 or 3 car lengths distance from each other. And Teresa, 3, 2, 1, and go. Yeah, Frank, that was quite good for a first. Tell me, how is it in the Mini? Isn't the engine working? Because that looked pretty slow.
I've also got some problems with the foot on the accelerator because the case hangs there. Won't take the gas.
Well, then let someone else take it. I'm sorry. It was really chic and would have looked good with you, but it's just slowing us all down. Instead, Teresa has to take an old Corsa. Car freak Frank, in the chasing car, is immediately in his element. The car will go over the ramp from the passenger side and then be lifted, most likely drop on the roof and then slide into the parked vehicles that have air as a safety cushion. That's how I imagine it right now anyway, and let's see what it looks like at the end. The next day, stunt day. Carl films the test video with a movie camera. Yeah, we want to show the beginning of the story, when one car follows the other, and our gangster hangs out the window a bit with a gun. That's the plan. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. Thanks, cut.
The challenge, that's what makes it easy, especially to do things for the picture. That one doesn't drive like a madman, but rather that you drive for the picture, that you tell a story with the car. That's something quite difficult.
Now it's time for the first mini stunt, the jump with the Jeep over the ramp. This is dangerous, especially for Nick in the passenger seat.
He will do the jump unrestrained and hopefully press down well. Otherwise, he will be on the windscreen. Let's see if that works. I don't know.
Even with the small stunts, one needs maximum concentration. 3, 2, 1, go! Thank you. Cut. Very nice. The scene works at the first attempt, and all cameras have captured the images perfectly.
It's cool.
Perfect. Super landing position perfect. The moment of truth is approaching. the stunt technician drives to the workshop to invite their welder to his first ever stunt. So, Uwe. Today's your big day. You always wanted to do a stunt with us or for us. You have the opportunity today because you are our surprise passenger with Teresa.
Passenger, no thanks. We have already talked about that. Passenger in hell. You can't control anything, absolutely nothing. You can only clench. You know what? I will jump over my shadow. I will just do it.
Ja, okay, gut. Ne?
Let's do it. Change, bang, go.
Ne? Ja, schön.
Auf geht's.
Ja, geil.
Cool.
Ja.
Kenne Uwe schon lange.
Yeah, I've known Uwe for a long time, and he's always talked about being a passenger or driving a stunt himself, but he never really wanted to do it. And for that, there was surprisingly little resistance. The BMW is made stunt ready. Time for Uwe to look at the ramp with stunt coordinator Carl. Yeah, I think here will be the point of contact, and then bam, full impact. That's why I put the camera here. They'll move a little bit and you'll lay them here.
Okay. Ja.
Before his first crash, Uwe has lots of questions.
What would you recommend for me there? I would put my hands on the strap.
You can see if you can hold something like your sweater or something like that sticks out from the belt, then the belt is definitely in your hands. So something that is free, where you can hold on to tightly. So you can sit down like that, so in the seat, so that your legs are not fully extended, but not quite curved. So that you have a slight bend and squeeze right here. And then when the car goes off, just before it hits, you'll feel that. You'll press yourself in properly. Then you breathe out strongly, and then it's already down. Slowly, the excitement rises in the otherwise cool workshop manager.
I want to leave my eyes open.
You won't be able to do that. That's a reflex. Even with the GoPros, you can see that. Everyone does it. Upon impact, you do this very briefly. Yeah, for everyone in a crash. Even if you've tried so hard to keep them open, it just happens.
But I want to leave my eyes open.
Yeah, then do that.
Something like that.
You won't be able to do that.
The ramp is firmly bolted to the mini highway in order to withstand the impact. Uwe tightens up properly for his first stunt. Now there's no turning back for the welder with the big mouth, even if he tries. The role reversal amuses the entire stunt department. It was a funny moment for us all to see Uwe in a situation like this. I'm curious how he'll react and how he is afterwards. It's definitely fun.
Thank you.
Teresa, have fun.
Ja.
Good luck.
Attention all, please stand by. If someone still has a problem, then now.
Have a good flight.
Teresa, engine on. Over, Teresa. Good luck. 2, 1, drive off.
Everything okay?
Yes.
Ja.
Uwe's first rollover!
Are you okay?
It's okay! It's okay!
BMW goes up onto the ramp at exactly 60 kilometers an hour, and Teresa does it exactly. Then the car with the welder on board carries out a perfect longitudinal rotation.
I failed to keep the eyes open. Wow, that was great. When you see the ramp coming towards you, you really go over it. If I had to drive, I would have gone past 6 or 7 times. Why should I drive over that? But that was cool, it was fun.
Spaß gemacht.
The whole team is happy for Uwe and Carl for the successful pictures.
Super hit, Teresa.
Super getroffen, Teresa.